You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from biology. If you want to learn more names of different types of bacteria, more scientific names, stay tuned. More videos coming up for you. English pronunciation, spirillum. Now in Latin it would be pronounced as spirillum. Therefore, arguably you could say spirillum, spirillum, or spirillum. But in English, certainly the pronunciation, the English pronunciation, the English language is spirillum. If you want to learn how to pronounce the plural, here it is on your screen coming up. Singular, spirillum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.